Hello, it's Stu here from DIYmusic.co.uk with FL Studio quick tip number 3, using an LFO in an automation clip. So basically, if you have anything with a parameter that you can control, you can link that to an automation clip in the piano roll, and that is done by selecting the area you want the automation clip to apply to and right-clicking on the parameter you want to control and clicking Create Automation Clip. Okay, so that gives you this envelope controller, but that's not what we're talking about. What I want to show you is a neat little trick or a handy little tool. You don't just have to draw your shapes with this to control this. You can also convert that into an LFO, which is a low frequency oscillator, which is basically like a sine wave. It's a controller which goes up and down at a low speed, or a speed you can set, essentially, which I'll show you now. So if you double click on your envelope, you get the settings there, and here you can see there's this little LFO section. So first of all, let's play what I've set for you. Very boring. And I'll show you what the X is doing. Okay, so you can make some interesting noises with that. And we're going to turn this into an LFO to control that simply by clicking the LFO button. And there you go. Straight away, you can see it's converted into a sort of zigzaggy, graphy thing. And within here, you can control a few aspects of the LFO. The speed is in phase, which you can see up here, and that is basically how many bars it takes to get from the beginning up, down, and then back where it started again. So if I set that to 1, you can see 1 bar is a full phase from start to end. And you can adjust other things like the tension, which does that. Gives it a little bit of speed up and slow down, a bit of acceleration. You can skew. You can change the pulse width, which affects the shape like that. And the amount, which can be negative or positive. What I would generally do is put that up to full, and you'll see, I'll just play it quickly, you'll see it goes the full bottom to the top rate of the available range. And then you can use this max and min to define where it starts and stops. So there you go. Just a very quick tip, as the quick tip should be. That's it. Converting a automation clip into an LFO, which you can also turn off if you want, just by pushing the button. So there you go. Use that. Have fun. Have fun using that. I'll leave that with you until next time. Thank you very much. I've been Stu from DIYmusic.co.uk. Check out my channel, subscribe for more videos, check out the website. I'm on Facebook and Twitter. You can find me all over the place. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.